The next thing we're going to do is set up webhooks and weights and biases. Now, just to remind you, there's this README with the GitHub project that I shared, the 1DB modal webhook, and the README describes all of the steps I'm going through right now. So if you get lost at any point or want to refer to a written version of this tutorial, you can reference the README. So to set up webhooks, you want to go to your teams page. So the name of my team is ReviewCo. And you're going to want to set up a couple of things. So first, you're going to want to set up a secret. I already have the secret here, but basically what you do is you click on this, it'll ask you to create a new secret. The name of the secret is auth token. And then the secret itself is described here as secret random token. So you would just type that in. You would type in secret random token. You can reveal the secret to make sure that you spelled it right. Look, I even spelled it wrong, so it's a good idea to check. And then you can add the secret. I've already added it. We can see that here. And I can just make sure again by going back to the README and just copy pasting it, just because I'm paranoid. So I'm just going to go back and just going to update that. And then what we want to do is create a webhook. Now I've already created the webhook, but I'm going to go ahead and delete it and recreate it so you can see the whole process from scratch. So what you're going to do is you want to create a new webhook. Now you will probably not have any webhooks. So you're going to hit new webhook and you can name it whatever you want. I'm going to call it modal webhook test. And then the URL is you want to enter the URL endpoint for the webhook. Now, if you recall, going back to my terminal, when you launched the modal app, you got these two different URLs. The one that ends in .run is the endpoint. So you want to copy that and paste it here. Now you can also get this URL from your modal dashboard. You can go in here, you can go into apps, and you can see the endpoint right here if you want. So going back to weights and biases, you got the URL here. Now what we want to do is you have the access token and the secret. Now this is a little bit tricky. I get mixed up on this too. And for this exercise, just go down here. It'll tell you what to do. You're going to want to set the access token. And you're going to want to select auth token. So that's what we'll do. We'll go back and we'll make this auth token. And then we'll say create webhook. And now we have created this webhook. And now we are ready to wire up the automation.